Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today is day 15th of my 30-day consistent vlogging challenge. So today I am doing vlogging in English language. So I have a work now. This is a rose plant section over here. So I need to clean up all this plant and need to arrange them in a proper sequence. So let's do this work. Guys, I have taken all this weed. You can see here. I have cleaned all these rose plants. This is Madhumalti clippers. I have also cleaned this and taken out the weed from it. Now I need to take some rest. After that, after some time, I will arrange this all plant in one single line in sequence. Hello guys, I have started the motor and now watering the plant. I always water the plant with the help of this shower because it is beneficial for the plant. If I didn't use this shower then and directly water the plant through this pipe, this black pipe, then due to excessive pressure the plant got damaged. That's why I always use the shower for watering the plant. So easily I can water to the plant and there is no damage to the plant. It is very useful in nursery for watering the plants. See, this is Belpatra plant. Large style Belpatra plant this is our nursery board, banner. These are all show plants. These are areca palms. Here is our nursery. The hanging pots and the planters are there, this one. These are areca palms. These are show plants. This is our nursery welcome board. Welcome to Darunte Nursery, Yeola, where green dreams grow. These are all show plants. The hanging planters are hanging there. See this one. In this type of plant, the creepers and climbers are planted. This one is hanging basket. And here is our nursery. See, these are the plants which I cleaned in morning, and I removed the weeds from them. But I need to water them because they need it. If I didn't water, they will get dried. That's why I am watering them now. I will line up them after watering. See, due to lack of water, these plants are getting dry. That's why even though it is rainy season, I need to water this plant. Because the polythene bag in which the plant are planted, it is very small and the soil is very less. So soil can't hold the sufficient amount of water which is required for the plant. That's why even though it is rainy season, we need to water this plant regularly. See, this one big plumeria plant, pink and white flowers. These are rose. I was watering the plants, but customer came. Now let's see which plant they purchase. Guys, this customer has purchased these 6 plants. Here Kadam is there. This one 2 bottle palms are there. 2 Ashoka is there, and this one flowering plant. This is Parijata. So they want this plant for their front yard garden. These 6 plants they have purchased. So friends, this was a short vlog in English language, and and now it is 6:30 PM. I need to go home, and it's raining outside. Before it starts heavily raining, I need to go home. As I didn't have raincoat with me, so I need to be careful. So this was a short vlog in English language. Let's meet tomorrow in Japanese language vlog. Till that time, bye bye.